What's up, y'all? It's your boy Chosen One Rising, and I'm back with another video, man. Hold on. I know where my watch at. I know what time we on. We know what time we on. We know what time we on. We on chosen time right now, man. Look, man. Man, I'm gonna get this cut tomorrow, man. Look, but today, bro, we talking about something real serious, bro. A lot of y'all been working these jobs, man, that y'all don't like to do, man. Y'all don't like to work these jobs. I know y'all don't, right? But what is something that you can do to get out this 9-to-5 cycle, bro? A lot of y'all ask this question, bro, but I got some notes that we're gonna go by, man. We're gonna clear it all up, man. How people get trapped in the 9-to-5, man. Let me just tell you this, bro. So, people are filled with this illusion that you have to do things, bro. You don't have to do anything. But it's just some things that you're gonna go through if you don't do it, right? So, you need to get that straight. There's two different things, bro. There's two different things. So how people get trapped in a 9-to-5, bro, is they work just to work just to pay bills. You're just working. You're not using it to invest in anything. You're just working. So if you're just working trying to pay the bills, you know what you're gonna be forever doing? Working to pay the bills. You think you're gonna get something extra? You think you're gonna get a life that you want? If you're just working to one goal, your one goal, I ain't gonna say y'all don't have any goals, but the one goal is to pay the bills and to enjoy the weekends. And you're not even enjoying the weekend. You only got one day off for real because on Sunday you counting down to Monday, right? It goes so fast, don't it? But that's what I want to tell y'all, bro. That's how you get trapped into it, bro. When you're not using it to invest in anything, you only got one goal, which is to pay the bills. So that's how people get trapped into it, bro. They doing shit they doing shit for the money. Everything isn't for the money, man. Do what can make you money for a passion. You feel me, bro? It may take a little longer, or it may take you may get to the bag, you may get to where you want to be at faster with that job. But the happiness, bro, you're not gonna be able to do your best at it, bro. You want to be in a position where you could do your best at the job that you're doing. You feel me, bro? Okay. What is the 9-to-5 system made for, bro? Okay, so the system is made for you not to have time for yourself. They don't want you to have time for yourself. They want you to give all your time to them. Give all your time to them. They're going to drain you. They're going to pick you up right out of your sleep in the morning, right? And then as soon as the sun ready to go down, as soon as, man, shit start to quiet down, man, now you get off work. Sometimes you got to stay later, bro. And when you stay later, you may like, oh, it's more money, right? But you get less, man. I want to come out here in the sun, man. This is where I belong. I want to come out here in nature. You don't get a lot of time out in nature, man, when you at work, man. You feel me, bro? You gotta take advantage. You gotta take advantage of your time, bro. Real rap. You don't want to just be doing stuff just to be doing it, man. It's made for people to be stuck inside of a cycle, a never-ending cycle, bro. You want to be able to do things that you love to do, bro. They want you to only do what they want to do, because you know what people do when they work? On the weekend, they go to sleep. After work, they go to sleep. They're not getting no work in before or after. Okay. Make time for passions, man. So the first way, man, to get untrapped out of the 9-to-5 cycle, man, is to make time for your passions. So what I mean by that, man, what do you like to do? What do you like to do, bro? Make time for your passions, bro. So if I like to create art, man, I'm making time to create art, man, every day. I don't care how long this job gonna take me, right? I'm making time to create this art because I know this art is what I love to do, man. And I'm following in my heart. Possibly could find a way to get my art out there, and I could get it sold. I could be selling paintings. You see what I'm saying? You do art, you do music, right? Make time to do your music. Whatever your passion is, make time for it, bro. That's how you get out of that cycle of being in the 9-to-5 phase. The mindset, the tiring. Okay. Another way to untrap yourself out of the 9-to-5 cycle, man. Make time for the things that's going to get you in a better position and to learn, right? So what I mean by that? So what's going to get you up in a better position? What things can you do to get you in a better position? Okay. It could be investing in something. It could be investing in stock or cryptocurrency. It could be investing in real estate, right? It can be investing in yourself. Make time for investing in yourself. Make time for investing in things that are going to bring you extra wealth. Another stream of income or something like that, man. Learn new things and new skills that's going to get you to where you need to be at. Take time, because even though you feel tired after work, bro, majority of the world feels tired after work, and majority of the world is unhappy because what? They don't have enough money. And if they think money gonna bring them happiness, no, you gotta build that happiness within you, bro, to attract it, bro. Because if you a sad motherfucker, you just gonna be like these rappers. They don't have no control of their own music, man. For real. Next thing, man. Next way to untrap yourself out of the 9-to-5 cycle, man. Dedicate yourself. Dedicate the same time that you put into that job into what you love to do and yourself, man. So a lot of us, bro, we know that we put a lot of time in this job, bro, because for this money aspect, right? You supposed to control the money. Don't let the money control you, right? So control what is going on. You really control it, bro. Stop letting that shit control you, bro. Make time for it, bro. I make sure that nobody is getting over me. Nobody's getting over me, bro. I'm gonna get what I want at the end of the day. If I'm exchanging this for this. You feel me, bro? Get what are you getting out of this situation, bro? You making time for the job, but are you making time for yourself, man? You ain't out here with nature. How you making time for yourself? Come on, man. You supposed to be making time for yourself, man. How we doing that? Make time for yourself. And once you make time for yourself, bro, you will be way more happier. Happiness is the key. Not working for money is the key, because when you work, but you're going to be miserable. Work, especially doing something you don't want to do in a 9-to-5 cycle, right? Spend as much time as you're working on a job and working on yourself, doing things that you love. Don't just be dedicating you dedicating 7 hours to that job, man. Find some hours to dedicate to yourself. Find some hours to dedicate to yourself, man. That's another way to get out the 9-to-5 cycle, man. How to untrap yourself out of the 9-to-5 cycle, man. What are you doing after and before work that is productive to get you to the next step? So you ask yourself that question. What are you doing before or after work productively to get you to the next step? And if you are doing something, is it holding you back, or is it improving your life slowly? So y'all have to just put this in consideration, man. If you are waking up before work, bro, a lot of people do not wake up 2 hours before work, 3 hours before work, 1 hour before work, man. I be having a lot of stuff to get through. I be having a lot of stuff to get done, man. So what I do is I wake up 2 hours before work, get that work in, man, because I know that the people that are unhappy with their job don't really know how to get out of their job. They don't really want to get it out of there. They want to, but nah, it doesn't show, right? And if it's not shown, it would not be prone to you, man. It would not. You cannot get out of the situation if you're not trying to, bro. All of this victim shit. Oh, I hate this job. I'm gonna get a new job. All this. You gonna keep switching jobs, my nigga. And I'm the type of nigga that's gonna switch from a job to entrepreneurship. I'm the type of nigga that's gonna switch from one source of income to 7 sources of income, bro. But you know why? Because the way I'm moving, I'm getting up. A lot of people is not ready to get up and work out in the morning, get the thing that they need to get done, get some videos created, tap in with themselves, man, show gratitude. They're not doing that, and a lot of people is not thankful, man. A lot of y'all want all this and all that, but you're not putting the work in, bro. And if you are doing something before work or after work, what are you doing? Are you sleeping after work? Are you chasing girls after work, man? Really? You chasing girls after work, bro? When you get on your stuff, bro, it make it that much easier for them to come. I'm just telling you right now, I said, man. Women, are you chasing dudes after you get off work? What are you doing after you get off work? Are you chasing, man? Are you doing stuff that's not benefiting you? Right? And consider what are you calling fun? What is fun to you, bro? What is fun to you? Do you like going to the club on the weekend? That's gonna keep you broke. That's gonna keep you broke. I promise you, going to these parties, going to the club, going out every weekend is gonna keep you poor. You need to stay in the house and learn something, bro. Learn something. You wonder why you so poor. What you doing? You're contributing. You're. I understand if you're on vacation, but if you're doing it every weekend, it's unacceptable, man. If you're not taking a weekend to learn something, man, what are you doing? Y'all gotta get it together, man. Especially if y'all want to get out this 9-to-5 cycle, but the certain stuff that y'all got going on, y'all not ready to go nowhere. You might as well get comfortable, bro. Y'all watching me grow, bro. I promise you, ever since I started, I've been getting in better positions. I had my low times, but I also know when it go low, you have to go back up. When you get low, you have no choice but to go up, man. And as long as you keep going, never quit, you never lose, man. But that's all I had to say, man. It's your boy, Chosen One Rising. And I'm gone. Y'all have a good one, man.